Welcome to GSL GM CITY, 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we look at this beautiful 2018 Lexus 350 RX, powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine and made up to an 8-speed automatic transmission, as well as the vehicle is a all-wheel drive SUV. Once inside the interior of this beautiful Lexus, we do have the power windows, power folding mirrors, as well as memory seating. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel and the camera view system, power tailgate, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your audio controls, as well as lane keep assist and forward collision warning. Only 27,804 kilometers on the odometer here. Black leather interior. We do have the Mark Levinson premium sound system in this vehicle as well. Dual climate controls, heated and ventilated seats. Very large touchscreen up there with navigation. All your map controls as well as your vehicle controls, center locking differential, traction control, beautiful leather interior. Got those premium sport leather seats there as well. Looking at the exterior of this Lexus 350 RX, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, Michelin all-season tires on there. Color matched door handles as well as mirror caps, keyless entry, LED V headlights up front, signature for the Lexus. Coming to the rear, we do have the LED tail lamps as well. Beautiful gray satin paint job here. You can see that RX 350L with the third row in the back, parking sensors, and 360 view camera as well. Jumping back into the interior, your second row is a leather, two captain's leather chairs. Both seats are heated as well as car seat ready. We do have the rubberized mats in here as well, keeping the carpets of your Lexus nice and clean. See the heated seats. We got the sunroof up top there, cup holders that fold down from the seats as well. Quick, easy access to your third row, a leather 50-50 split, two more seats back there, making this vehicle just a 6-passenger. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video, this beautiful 2018 Lexus 350 RX. If this is your next all-wheel drive SUV, come down and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.